Hi, in this quick video, I'm gonna be walking through how to send private photos on WhatsApp from computer. To use WhatsApp from your computer, you have to open web.whatsapp.com in your computer browser, and then you will directly jump into WhatsApp web page. And now, to sign into your WhatsApp account, go to your mobile device and open WhatsApp. And now make sure to sign into your WhatsApp account from mobile. Now tap on settings, tap on linked devices, tap on link device. And now tap on OK and scan this QR code from your mobile WhatsApp. And once you successfully scanned, you will be automatically signed in into your WhatsApp account from WhatsApp web on your computer. Now go to the chat or conversation where you want to send photos. Now just tap on this plus icon and you can capture a photo by clicking here to send, or to upload a photo just click here. And now from your computer go ahead and select the photo that you want to send. And now to make the photo one-time view, you just click here to enable one-time view and just send the photo. And here we can see the photo has been successfully sent. So that's how we can send photos on WhatsApp from computer. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.